So we're going to solve the equation cosine x equal 5/9 and approximate the solutions which lie on the interval from 0 to 2 pi to 4 decimal places. So first of all, if we did the cosine inverse of both sides, we would have x equal cos inverse of 5/9. Now remember, this is a function, and so when we put this in the calculator, it's only going to give us one solution, and it will be a solution that's on the interval from 0 to pi for inverse cosine. Since this is positive, it's going to give us some solution in quadrant 1. So let's go ahead and get the calculator and find that solution. I need to make sure I'm in radians, and I am. Then I do second or inverse cosine of 5 divided by 9 parenthesis equals, and I get 0.9818 rounded to 4 decimal places. So first solution is x equal 0.9818, and that is in quadrant 1. Now I need to ask myself, where else on this circle between 0 and 2 pi would I have the same cosine value? And that would be here in quadrant 4, because x values are the same in quadrant 1 and quadrant 4. And so let's see. Well, I know that this angle right here is 0.9818, so how would I get this angle right here? And I could see it would be 2 pi minus that angle right there. So if I have 2 pi minus the 0.9818, I will get another solution. Now I've already got that value in my calculator, so I'm going to do 2 pi minus that answer, which is that other angle, and I get 5.3014. So 5.3014. So here are my two solutions of this equation on the interval from 0 to 2 pi. Now let's go ahead and look at what I would do if this would have been a negative 5/9. Now, had it been a negative 5/9, then the calculator, because it gives me answers between 0 and pi, would have given me an angle here in quadrant 2. So let's go ahead and compute cosine inverse. X is going to equal cosine inverse of negative 5/9. So I have second or inverse cosine, negative 5 divided by 9. And I get 2.1598 to 4 decimal places. So x equal 2.1598. Now I need to figure out where else on this circle between 0 and 2 pi I would have that same cosine value, and that would be right here in quadrant 3, because cosine value is negative in both quadrant 2 and 3. How would I figure out that angle? Well, I know that this angle right here is 2.1598. Well, I can see that that is an angle of the same size but in the negative direction. So if I did 2 pi, which would be all the way around, and I took off this angle minus 2.1598, then that will give me this angle right here. So let's go ahead and do that. So 2 pi minus, and I already had that other value in the calculator, so I can use answer there, and I get 4.1234. So 4.1234, and that is my second answer.